Hello everyone, our names are Copelia Mateo Guillén and Javier Fernandez Molina. Both are lecturers and researchers at the Faculty of Education of the University of Alicante. In this paper, we seek to explore the existing literature concerning phonics. What led us there? Well, English traditionally, in the context of English as a foreign language classes, has been taught both spoken English and written English simultaneously, while they can be considered even two different languages because they are extremely complicated. English is a very demanding language that has 44 phonemes and at least 189 spelling rules, plus the exceptions. And the exceptions include simple words as personal pronouns, possessive articles. It's a very complicated language to teach, to read and write. One letter of English or a combination of letters may represent various sounds. The best example is these four graphemes, O, U, G, H. They can be pronounced in 10 different ways. Also, one sound may be written in many different ways. For example, the sound S, phoneme S, in 11 different ways. Are also phonemes that can be written in many different manners. Okay, the debate about how to teach more efficiently to read and write endures since the beginning of times between phonics and whole world. However, in the early 90s, Jolie Phonics, Sujoy and Sarah Berham, when they created Jolie Phonics, this transformed the way phonics had been understood up to that moment. They included 5 skills, and they differentiated between the code, cracking the code, the relationship between sounds and letters, and written comprehension. The objectives of this piece of research was to identify the most common themes, topics scholars had investigated in the last 3 decades with regards to phonics instructions of English literacy, and provide an excerpt of the findings. Method: we resorted to Web of Science, FESIT, and we used phonics or synthetic phonics in the title, and we used or instead of and. We thought and would provide endless number of papers. We limited the time range between 1990 and 2021, and the results were sorted by most quoted. We came 281 results appeared, but we decided that at least 7 sites would be the minimum, which left 98 research papers. Results: almost 1 in 4 of the most quoted papers, according to the research strategy previously explicated, deal with topics such as hearing difficulties, special education issues, reading specific problems, struggling students, communication issues, mental retardation, DNA-related disease. For us, this was quite striking. We were not expecting this large number of papers. Then, within the design of the canon of the phonics research, we identified 7 research papers that agglutinated 50 or more quotes. As you can see here, 3 of them were meta-analysis, 1 research experiment, an informed critique on the Rose Report, which would be kind of sort of the Bible, yes, and Stahl et al., 1998, long way back, a literature review. Another of our results, number 3, 10 research papers suggest other ways and are quite skeptical with the phonics success. Some of these authors have been quite active and have published several papers that have been quoted and read, and their word has been passed and spread, which is actually fine. results number 5. Some dimensions were identified: holistic approach, the need of specific instruction, to gather teachers' narratives, not only policymakers' attitudes, not only students' performance. And there is a claim that there is excessive control of educational authorities as well. Finally, to end up, literacy instruction in English, these are our conclusions, is far too demanding task, needs to be tackled from different perspectives. Phonics undoubtedly helps. Concepts of phonics encompasses many various aspects, and reading comprehension also needs to be taken into account. Thank you very much. These are our emails. Thank you for watching, listening.